Alright, fans, so, laying here on the ground, and this rattlesnake comes and slithers right by me. So, here's your footage on this. So, I ain't in harm's way right now, so he's just slithering around. So, this video is proof, fans, that, when you're on the ground like this, you know, any old snake, venomous can just, slither up on you. The size of his rattle. This is another young snake. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Approximately 8 rattles on that. He ain't very girthy either. We don't know what it is. Alright, so, sorry the footage wasn't the better of him. Whatever, the snake coming up around there. Took me a while to get my phone out. So, hey, remember, this could happen to you. Alright, enjoy your rattlesnake.